Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to slow down or speed up YouTube videos. So right now I have one playing right here, so this is the normal speed for it. I'm just going to play it out. If you guys want to slow it down or speed it up, right down here on the bottom right hand side you guys will see these options. Alright, so just click right here where it says 4K. It might say something else, it doesn't have to say 4K, as long as you guys see that second icon. From here you guys will see playback speed. That's the speed that it's playing right now. So just click right there and we can select to go faster or slower. So this is slower, just play around with it, and this is faster. So you guys want to speed it up because it's going way too slow. You guys can go anywhere in between, or the fastest that it can is at 2. So let's just click on 2. If you guys click on play right now, so it goes really fast. Now let's say you guys want to slow something down so you guys can understand or you guys can see something better, right? So same deal, you guys are gonna click on there, then playback speed, and we're gonna slow it down. We're gonna slow it down to the slowest that it can right now, which is 0.25. So once we play that, so it's really slow, as you guys can see that. Or you guys can go anywhere in between. So once again, if you guys go there, if you guys want something in between, like not too slow, but just slower, you guys can choose that. And there you go. It goes a little bit slower than what the video actually is. Anyways, that's how you guys can slow down or speed up any videos right here on YouTube. Right now we're using Google Chrome. However, you guys can use Safari or anything else. It's gonna work exactly the same way right here on your computer. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.